Tired of juggling multiple gaming platforms? Let's dive into linking your Taptap and Steam accounts, making your gaming life a whole lot smoother. First, grab your mobile device and open the Taptap app from the main menu. Tap on your profile icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen. This will navigate you to your profile settings. In your profile settings, now find the Account or Linked Accounts section. The wording can vary. Once you found the section, search for the option to link accounts. You'll notice an option to link to Steam. Go ahead and tap on the link button next to the Steam logo, or the appropriate prompt. Now the app will begin to prompt you to sign into your Steam account. To connect the accounts, a new window or an app browser should appear asking for your Steam login credentials, your username and password. Enter the information and make sure it is correct. Next, you may be asked to authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once you successfully log in and authorize, Taptap will connect with your Steam account. You should receive a confirmation message signifying that the accounts are linked. Congratulations! With your accounts linked, you can often access your Steam games through Taptap, or vice versa. For improved management of your digital content, enjoy your seamless gaming journey.